Mountains make up about 1/5 of world's landscape and provide homes to at least 1/10 of world's population. The tallest mountain in the solar system is in Mars, which was discovered in 1971 and was named Olympus Mons. It is about 15.5 miles tall. Mountains exist under the sea as well, and these mountains were formed as a result of volcanic activity under the sea. After these volcanic eruptions were over, the mountains were submerged in the oceans. If you find it informative, do let us know by hitting on like button. Please do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on bell icon for instant updates. This will really encourage us to do more. Thank you. Take care.